One reason you need to avoid free downloads. It's free music and also free access for your game. This game got suspended in 2016 just because of downloading just a simple music from a free website. They claim the music is copyright free and I can use it on apps and games and also on videos. This app I can't update, I can't do anything, I can't even delete. So it's just there. One reason you need to avoid free downloads for your apps, games, and even for your YouTube video. Google gave me a warning that the next time it's happening, they'll just be suspending the account. Can't afford to lose the account. So me and free downloads, no more.